Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 startup problems without password. So step number 1 is boot into the safe mode. To do that, first you need to go to the start menu, go to the power icon, don't press the restart key. You need to hold the shift key on your keyboard, then tap on restart option. Then the computer will be restarted. Once it is restarted, you will see troubleshoot option. Tap on it. Again, in the next step, tap on advanced options, and next step you need to select advanced setting, and finally in the menu you need to select the 4. It will be enable the safe mode and restart. It will restart your computer into the safe mode. This will allow you to access the Windows without normal login. Okay, so in the safe mode you need to do something. So assume now we are in the safe mode. So first you need to go to search bar, search for command prompt, tap on it. So you need to type net. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to tell something. You need to turn open command prompt as an administrator like this. So you need to type net space user space administrator space / active double colon yes, and hit enter. Then restart your PC. This will grant access to emergency admin account. Okay, so you have emergency admin rights right now. So then after, close this one. So then you can log in as administrator. Once you log in as administrator, you can open command prompt again like this. Right click on it, tap on run as administrator. So you need to run net user space your username. You enter the username. As an example, I am going to username as LMW and a space your new password. I am going to give it as 1234. These are your credential. These will be your credential. Okay, then hit enter. Then again you need to restart your PC. Then this will reset your login password. Okay, step number 4 is you need to do the system restore option if the previous is not working. So first you need to hold the shift key and restart your computer to enter the advanced startup mode. Then after, select the troubleshoot again and go to advanced options, and in this time you need to select the system restore option. So you need to choose the restore point before startup issue. So if you have multiple restores, you can select the restore point that the computer is perfectly working. So this will revert the Windows to working state without password login. If that also not working, again you need to select the troubleshoot and advanced option. In this time you need to select the startup repair. Select your user account. Windows will attempt to automatic repair on your account. This will fix the corrupted boot files. Then it will be fix your computer. And if that also not working, again come to the advanced startup method, select the troubleshoot. This time you need to select the reset this PC, and in the next prompt you need to select the keep my files option, and you can follow the prompts to reset your computer without deleting your files. Then this is the last resort if nothing else work. And the final method is you need to come to the boot safe mode, as I previously told how you can come to the safe mode. And you can go to the start menu and go to the setting and go to the accounts, scroll down and click the family and other users, tap on add new user. In here you can create new user. If you don't like to enter the Microsoft account, you can select this one, I don't have this person option, and select the add a user without a Microsoft account. So you can enter username, password, then you can create a new account. So these are the methods you can try to fix your issue.